So this is my Tesla Model 3. I'm working on it for a few hours, and it has a problem with the belt, the seat belt. As you notice, the middle seat belt, it actually comes out now, surprisingly. So this was the issue. It would not extract, so I had to disconnect it from below. It was causing me so many issues. I finally was able to get the bolt undone. Tesla refused to cover the charge on this, even though it is a hazard issue. So this is the bolt here that I was just mentioning. This is the back seat of a Tesla Model 3, and this seat belt was not extracting properly. Looks like we may have got it fixed, and let's see where it goes from here.
Let's show you how we took this all apart. First off, we're going to go to the back seat, and there are two levers on both sides. We're going to lift up each side so that we can get access to the seat belts and extracting the seat belts. You want to pull the cushion all the way up, and then you'll get access to extracting this seat belt right here by means of this bolt. And we have to have our tools for that. So the tools that we're going to be using today are the following.
So pretty much the only tool you're going to need is this here, a socket wrench. And this is a 16 millimeter here. So we notice our 16, and the bolt that you may have to loosen was this one. This is the one I had to loosen. Once I loosened this bolt, I was able to pull the seat down, and it released this seat belt. But you will need to loosen this, but make sure that it's tightened back again so that you don't have any issues. So this seat here was actually pinned down. It was stuck so tight. So I had to lift up this cushion, lift it up as high as I could, and squeeze underneath here and loosen this bolt. This is where it's attached to, and let's see if we can figure out how we could get this going. I didn't see anything online talking about this, so we hope this video helps you out. And I took off the seat as well, disconnected these chargers, or connectors, for the heated seats. I believe it's for cold and heated seats.
Once you've loosened the bolt for the seat belt, pull to see if you are able to pull the seat belt now. Once that's accomplished, let's place everything back.
So we're just going to put that bolt right back. My socket wrench is right here. So basically, just be using this to put on the bolt.
Once the cushion is put back in and the seat belt is working freely and securely as it should, it's releasing, you're set. So test it out to make sure that it's working just as you want, and you're ready to roll. Thank you for watching Watts Lock and Key. We'll see you next time.